Hey! In front of me is Poco F4 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Then you need to scroll down and click on notifications and control center over here. Now tap on app notifications and select one of your apps from which you don't want to receive notifications from, like maybe Play Store. So now when I click on the switcher next to Play Store, all notifications are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just tap on the same switcher. But you can also just click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!